storm to every call, man. Bamboo strong like the people are. From a tiny shoot it play its part. Reaching high, reaching for a brand new start. Never bow, never fall, a work of art. Them say life hard like a stone wall, aye. But the bamboo say nah man, we touch the sky. Flexible soul fi catch the wind blow by. Every new day a chance we try fi fly. Bamboo strong like the people are. From a tiny shoot it play its part. Reaching high, reaching for a brand new start. Never bow, never fall, a work of art. One love, one name, one destiny. Like the bamboo family you see. Connected deep, forever free. Spirit rise up eternally. Bamboo strong like the people are. From a tiny shoot it plays part. Reaching high, reaching for a brand new start. Never bow, never fall, a work of art. Concrete jungle getting hotter now. Babylon walls, them tumbling somehow. Roots running deep, pure and strong. Jah light shining where we all belong. Oh yeah, Judah's echo, hear the sound from the mountain high to holy ground. Ancient wisdom in a modern day. Chains breaking free, come what may. Oh yeah, man a search for truth so hard. Lost in the system, playing a bad card. But the spirit rise up, no one can hold. Stories of old in the new unfold. Oh yeah, Judah's echo, hear the sound from the mountain high to holy ground. Ancient wisdom in a modern day. Chains breaking free, come what may. Why fire in our soul, a burning bright, guiding our steps through the darkest night. Every heartbeat, every single breath, conquering fear, conquering death. Judah's echo, hear the sound from the mountain high to holy ground. Ancient wisdom in a modern day. Chains breaking free, come what may. Oh yeah, come what may. rise up like a golden king. Birds them a sing, make the valley ring. The earth it breeze a jaja thing. High on the hill, the breeze it flow. The wisdom deep like river below. Morning chant on the hilltop. Oh, rise and shine, make the spirit grow. Chant it loud, let the blessing show. Oh, them say life hard, but the roots them strong. We not give up, we are carry on. Truth in we heart, a rebel song. Sky paint a story, blue and white. Jah guide we steps, Jah take we stride. Morning chant on the hilltop. Oh, rise and shine, make the spirit grow. Chant it low, let the blessing show. Oh, the rhythm call me, the drumbeat say rise. Under the moonlight, truth not disguise. The shepherd walks steady, on hill so high. With wisdom in him step, Chant not lie. Feel the rhythm, oh the shepherd man. Him guide we through this burning land. Oh we walk, oh we stand, follow the rhythm. The shepherd man them. The lion roar loud, but me heart not fear. The shepherd chant strong, me path clear. From the valley deep to the mountain top. Him word not bend, not ever stop, brother. Sister, hear the sound. Riddim shake the holy ground. Feel the rhythm, oh the shepherd man. Him guide we through this burning land. Oh we walk, oh we stand, follow the rhythm. The shepherd man them. Me say, one rhythm, one love, one plan. The shepherd teach you way for every man. Plant the seed, reap the fruit in time. Wisdom and the melody, through the line. Them say the road long, it no straight. Why? Me step light, but me carry the weight. Why? The sun a blaze, the breeze it not cool. Life of the teacher, me dep on the stool. Every step I chant, every mile I pray. Me nah go sidestep, me nah go stray. On road to freedom lane, me nah turn back. Every beat me heart, it keep me track. On road to freedom lane, we rise and we climb. Me say the spirit strong, time after time. On road to freedom lane, me nah turn back. Every beat me heart, it keep me track. On road to freedom lane, we rise and we climb. Me say the spirit strong, time after time. Tree roots deep, them hold the earth tight. My mind are the roots, my future are the light. Them say storms are go come, them say rivers are go rise. But me nah fear the clouds, me see the sun inside. I who fi tell you say you can't make it? Who fi say your wings no fit? Fly, now let them clip your dream. The journey rough, but the soul supreme. On road to freedom lane, me not turn back. Every beat my heart, it keep me track. On road to freedom lane, we rise and we climb. Me say the spirit strong, time after time. On road to freedom lane, on road to freedom lane. Them play, they cut so deep, like the rivers I run in my sleep. Wisdom from the roots, me have to keep. Them tell me about struggle, them tell me about peace. Songs from the old yard, them still I live. Them teach we fi take, them teach we fi give. A rhythm for the soul, a fire for the heart. From the old yard, we never depart. The drum them attack, the rhythm not lie. Them show you the ground, them show you the sky. Every string pluck a truth, every note a reply. A chant for the ages, make the spirits fly. I say hold it, feel it, the rhythm now done. A story for your daughter, a lesson for your son. I say hold it, feel it, the rhythm now done. A story for your daughter, a lesson for your son. Songs from the old yard, them still a live. Them teach we fi take, them teach we fi give. A rhythm for the soul, a fire for the heart. From the old yard, we never depart. Them say plant the seed, watch the tree grow tall. Them say rise up strong even when you fall. The whole yard know life a circle small, but the wisdom big, it a guide we all. singing no tired eyes. Life a river flowing, never cease its knowing. Oh, a wandering soul I be, searching for my destiny. Every path a lesson true, finding peace in all I do. Hear the ancient drums a beat, telling tales of time untold. Spirit strong can't be defeated, more precious than pure gold. Heartbeat like a rhythm, singing up from within them. Oh, a wandering soul I be, searching for my destiny. Every path a lesson true, finding peace in all I do. The rhythm started not go fade. Ancient voice pon the drum it play. It call me soul, make me heart obey. One drop, two drop, wisdom spray. The moonlight dance, the stars them chat, them whisper truth, me follow that. The earth she tremble, the heavens clap. The drumbeat spirit, it bridge the gap. Boom boom, hear the heart a beat, the drum a talk, it can't defeat. Boom boom, make your spirit rise, the drum a chant, it never lies. Our roots dig deep in the soil of time. The drum it teach wisdom in rhyme. Them say you're lost, but your spirit climb. The beat a guide, the soul align. The river flow, it can't turn back. The drum make you walk on the righteous track. Them can silence the ancient pack. The rhythm eternal, nothing slack. You feel it, not true in your bone. The drum a make your spirit own, you're free now. You're not alone, the beater, till you're in a throne.
Secrets, oh, like the ancient stones. Chant a forgotten rhythm, right through me very bones. Hear the lion roar in silence, echoes of freedom rise. Them say Babylon a fall, the truth it stand up tall. Wind over Zion gate, blowing strong, blowing free. From the mountain peak, me heart leap for all the world to see. Wind over Zion gate, guiding light shining bright. Every step I knew down, chase away the dark. at all. Wind over Zion Gate, blowing strong, blowing free. From the mountain peak, my heart bleed for all the world to see. Wind over Zion Gate, guiding light shining bright. Every step a new dawn, chase away the dark night.
The sun a rise and the breeze it blow. Roots a dig deep where the mango grow. Life a cycle, watch it ebb and flow. Under the shade me find me glow. Wisdom beneath the mango tree. Talk to the earth, it talk to me. The fruit a fall, the truth set free. Wisdom beneath the mango tree. Picnic laugh, them run and play. Ancient spirits guide the way. Time no rush, it no betray. The roots hold strong, come what may. Them say the tree not talk, but listen when you walk. Every leaf I tell. Yeah. Wisdom beneath the mango tree. Talk to the earth, it talk to me. The fruit of all, the truth set free. Wisdom beneath the mango tree. Under the mango, my spirit up.